How to enable or disable the side button to end the current call on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's return back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And from the home screen, tap on Settings. Now in the Settings page, we scroll down and tap on Accessibility. After that, scroll down and in here tap on Touch. Then scroll down and tap on Prevent Lock to end call. So tap on the toggle button to switch it on, and when you turn this on, you can see that if I am on a call, so I'll give myself a call, and if I'm on a call and if I press on the sub button, this time you can see instead of locking the call, it just switch off the screen. Some people might prefer to use this button so that they can turn off the screen and then they can continue talking on the phone. For some people, they prefer to have this feature. So I just unlock my screen. So here they prefer to have this feature switch off so that when they are on a call, they can simply just press on this button to end the call. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.